Good evening, everyone. How are you doing? Yet another week passed, and we have fantastic news developing in the crypto markets as we are getting ready to see new all-time highs for Bitcoin. We have a lot of incredible news to share today on this call about the entire crypto industry and where it is headed. So this is the primary focus of today, and hopefully we'll see Domen coming and join us on the call shortly to answer the questions, guys, for the new developments as for the big whale should be launched very, very soon. I don't have an updates on this, so this is for Domen to cover. But it's quite important, right? Because we are waiting for the big launch of the big whale and for the first coins to be appearing there, which is Kimba and Willy, which a lot of you guys have accumulated in the back office, and for all of this process to begin. So welcome everyone to the call. We're gonna go ahead and get started right now. I'll go straight into the crypto market updates and what's happening right now. So it's been quite a very, very important couple of weeks as we've seen a war develop between Israel and Iran that started on Friday, June 13th. And after a brutal 12 days of the war, we're seeing a ceasefire happening right now, and that is affecting the markets, of course. We are seeing that Bitcoin jumped back again to about $108,000 after it briefly fell to $98,000. And currently we are forming what's called a bullish engulfing candle on the weekly chart, which is quite significant. What it means is if we close this week completely above the body of the previous week, that signifies a continuation of the bullish trend to the upside and into the price discovery for Bitcoin, which a lot of analysts agree we're heading to about $130,000 at least for the Bitcoin, and we're definitely seeing with the price action today that it has a very clear bullish momentum uptrend. On the monthly also it looks great. We are printing this green monthly candle right now, which is about to finish in about 5 days. So overall we're seeing the markets are responding well. Also, if you look at the Nasdaq, it's pretty much at all-time highs right now and entering to price discovery. The stock market is pumping as well, and crypto and Bitcoin, there has a high correlation to the stock market as well. So as we are seeing, the stock market is going up and the dollar is going down, which means, is basically the dollar itself, is the value of the dollar is worth less and less relatively. It means that the value of the Bitcoin should be worth more money in the dollar terms if the value of the dollar is going down. So definitely these developments of Israel and Iran is affecting the markets this week, because after all of this exchange of hostilities and attacks and on both of the countries, we're seeing the ceasefire, and hopefully it's going to be a prolonged one. We're going to be seeing a peace in the area, and I firsthand seen these missiles, these rockets fly in the sky above me, because I was there in Israel at the time the war has started, and it's really, really not an easy time for the people over there, with multiple buildings destroyed and a lot of people going all the time, the whole country to shelters. So now the situation is clearing up a bit. The airport is being open again. We're seeing that Donald Trump claiming that both Israel and Iran wanted to stop the war equally, and he claiming that they were able to destroy all nuclear facilities and capability and stop the war. However, on that there is many that disagree with that and saying that basically it didn't destroy everything and they could still have that nuclear weapon done. So unfortunately, this is the conversations that people have on their mind and throwing the word nuclear in the air way too often, and hopefully we have more peace coming into the world. Seeing in the market, the market are seeing right now much more probabilities of interest rate cuts in the next meetings of the Federal Reserve. Now, what it means is basically Donald Trump has been waiting for the rate cuts for ever since he became a president again of the United States. He wanted to cut the rates for many reasons. One of the main reasons, as we discussed before, is to lower the interest payments of the debt of the United States, right? As you know, U.S. national debt is spiraling out of control, and it is right now at $37 trillion, which is not sustainable, and with high interest rates, they need to pay a big chunk of money to cover this debt. So lowering interest rates is super important for the U.S. economy overall and for the entire markets, including the crypto markets. If that's going to happen, it's going to be cheaper and easier to get liquidity into the market with lower interest rates, and that's what the market is expecting, that the money supply is going to expand even more. There's going to be more money around in the world, and with more money in the world, an asset like Bitcoin, which is a hard asset, meaning that it has a limited supply, it's not being able to print as much as they want. It's only a limited supply of Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin itself is going to continue going up into new highs, of course it can have its own effect on the entire crypto market and the smaller altcoins. As far as the altcoins season, we do not see anything related to altcoin season yet. We're seeing the dominance of Bitcoin is pretty strong. If you look at the monthly, we don't see anything right now indicating that the altcoin season is coming. So Bitcoin dominance is continuing to go on an upward trend, but it is on overbought territory right now, the dominance. So what it means is we are approaching those levels, and at some point, altcoin season can happen, right? Just the way that people may stop to expect it, it's going to happen, and we see big boom in the altcoins. But for now, we're not seeing it yet. We're seeing Bitcoin outperforming, and altcoins are not performing that well overall, right? Look at Ethereum, back at $2,400 right now after it went down to let's monthly. Let's look at the daily. We're seeing over here, it went to $2,150 and was able to support at this area right now. So, and Ethereum is the biggest altcoin, so we kind of gauge the market by it. But overall, if you look at the total crypto market cap, overall, it's not performing as well as the Bitcoin one. Currently, we are slightly in the red on the monthly, but the month is not closed yet, so we'll see how that will flow out. Let's take a look at some of the amazing news that we see today, as the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell says banks are free to conduct crypto activities. So that means that banks are fully entering the crypto activities, everything related to crypto, and with full support of the government and the Federal Reserve, which is huge news. Kazakhstan president now renews pledge to create a new crypto city where everyone accepts Bitcoin. So there is this this global adoption is continuing to happen. And Senator Loomis just said that this bill to buy 1 million Bitcoin may become law faster than other crypto bills, and strategic Bitcoin reserve is coming to the US. We now have 3 United States that can now buy, own, and hodl Bitcoin. So America is fully adopting Bitcoin. It's only a matter of time. We're seeing a MicroStrategy, Metaplanet in Japan just raised more than $500 million to buy more Bitcoin, right, in a single day. So the hunger is there to acquire more Bitcoin. We see President Trump's Truth Social now files officially Bitcoin ETF on the New York Stock Exchange, and not only Bitcoin but also Ethereum ETF, according to the document. So this is a company, Truth Social, by Donald Trump. They're gonna be creating Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, which is really incredible to see. Again, this is not surprising because they have been fully adopting Bitcoin and crypto ever since they came into power again. We see MasterCard and crypto partnerships allowing 3 billion card holders to buy Bitcoin on chain. So Bitcoin is going to mainstream. It's really fantastic news for the crypto industry. Anthony Pompliano's ProCap company just bought $386 million worth of Bitcoin. You see how so many companies are hungry to buy Bitcoin like crazy with a lot of money. And Visa CEO, not just MasterCard, is saying we are bullish on crypto and stable coins. So both Visa, both MasterCard, they're fully embracing cryptocurrencies and stable coins. Here is yet another company. Norway's deep sea mining firm plans $1.2 billion Bitcoin purchase, right? It's not small money. It's adopting all of this technology. So that's overall what we're seeing right now in the news and where the markets are going. So right now, let me see if is Dominic here. I think he's coming in a couple of minutes. So we are basically in a phase right now, in a situation, the crypto market, where we are ready for the next leg to the upside, to the final push to the prolonged bull market of 2000, which started in 2023, continued in 2024, and now we are in 2025. The year of 2025 is not finished, right? So we have more than half a year to go, and with the projected rate cuts, cutting the rate of interest rate in July, in September, right? We are going to see more injection of capital into the markets, and we're going to see the next phase, the next leg to the upside. Now, I'm passing the word to Mr. Domen Wiederger to share some of the latest and greatest of what's happening in Mavi Global, and you're welcome to post any questions, guys, that you have, let's go. So, Domen, how are you?
Thank you very much. I'm very good. Thank you very much for inviting me. I apologize because I didn't reply so fast. Literally, I'm the entire day on Zooms. We are kicking very heavy sales, I need to be honest, but I will not go in details. Super nodes are now fully functional, but over the next minutes, I will give you all the necessary updates. Okay, Vitaly, if I may, I will do a quick, overview.
Sure.
Of what is going on inside of Mavi Global, and all our related projects. For most of the projects and for most of our products today, I have amazing news. If you followed me on all the company calls. I'm speaking about Ultron Foundation. Call every Monday, 9 p.m. or yesterday's call for the Flip Me. Let's say that we start this week with the green candles. We get the green light from the Flip Me team. From Monday on, everyone who ordered the card inside of Mavi Global or earnsafecard.com will have an option to activate their cards. This is the green light. This is one of the biggest green lights that we were waiting for the past few weeks. Once again, the confirmation is set, the Flip Me team is ready, and once again, once everyone will start to redeem their cards, we will increase the numbers of users. I believe 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. Some of the numbers they are showing 25,000 active users inside of the Flip Me. What does this mean? A big stream of income for all the Big Well package holders and for all the payment hub holders. So once again, the Flip Me most exciting news is, once again, Flip Me is live from Monday on. The team already prepared the tutorials, how to download the Flip Me application, how to do the KYC, how to activate the card, and how to top up the card. The 4 tutorials are ready, and by the end of this week, or let's say until Monday next week, they are going to be ready in, once again, multiple languages. So very, very positive week for the Flip Me. It was not a positive week only for the Flip Me. It was positive week for the FinUp and for the Binance Core and Delta Max trading strategies. Now, I remember, Vitali, or if you remember, we announced Binance Core and Delta Max, 2 new trading strategies 10 days ago on Wednesday. On Wednesday, these 2 trading strategies previous week, they start to execute the trades. And the beauty of it is that the results, they didn't came slow, but they came very, very fast. And the beauty of it is that both strategies, they outperform the entire market, because during the weekend, the entire market literally fall down. Everything happened. On Sunday, the Bitcoin went 103,000 to below 100,000, and most of the time the markets were in red except the Binance Core and Delta Max. So the results for the 4 days of trading, 2.91% for the Binance Core, 0.78% in Delta Max. We need to understand Binance Core, if we need to compare these 2 trading strategies, Binance Core is a little bit more, I will not say aggressive. If we check the scale, either conservative, normal, or high risk, the Binance Core is in the middle. Delta Max, it's more safe, if I can say like this. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, but once again, these are the past results. What I have noticed, that literally on a daily basis, tens of thousands of dollars are moved from the other trading strategies to the Binance Core and Delta Max. Just today, more than $75,000 came into the Binance. So Binance Core and Delta Max are now hot topics, and even 2 trading strategies that they are inside of the FinUp. I'm speaking about AI and AI 2X trading strategies. This Friday, they will stop to operate. Why? Because of the not easy market conditions. That's why the team has decided to remove these 2 trading strategies. You can take your money out, or you can just simply send it to Binance Core, Delta Max, or other 2 social trading strategies. Now, once again, on Friday, everyone will get their money back straight to their available wallet. With 1 click, you can send it or you can withdraw it. Option number 1. Option number 2, you don't need to wait until Friday. You can already stop it now and move it straight into Binance Core and Delta Max. What I promise that this new trading team, that literally at least twice a week they give me the trading results, because we want to give you the updates. We want to give you the entire communication 24/7. We want to give you all the insights, all the results, so you will feel comfortable with 2 new added trading strategies. Vitali, I think 3 days for 4 days of trading, it's not good, it's amazing. And once again, if you have fancy inside of the FinUp, you can relocate. If you have the access and you didn't try it, you can send your money to your own dedicated Binance sub account. And one more thing I can present on this call. In a matter of days, we will offer the FinUp as a product, the FinUp as a yearly subscription to the entire Mavi global community. Now, in the past, the FinUp as a product was available. Then everyone who bought the Big Whale package get at that time the FinUp access. Then this product we didn't offer, but we get several, I can say, several proposals. Why I cannot sell? Why I cannot onboard new people that they would like to put inside of the trading? So in a matter of days, on this call, I can officially announce that FinUp as a platform is gonna be available as a yearly subscription, of course, with all the trading strategies in. And Vitaly, what do you think? Do you think we can reveal how much will it cost on a yearly basis or not? Give me the suggestion. Yes or no? It's your call. It's your audience. What do you think?
Whatever is best to reveal, of course, reveal. Why not?
Okay, of course, whatever is best, we are having the best audience, and let's reveal. Now, FinUp as a tool for the access for the trading strategies, what is coming is fractional ownership of gold, silver, and US stocks, so RVA, different kind of other trading strategies are possible, and the FinUp team was thinking how to position this product for the community that it's inside of Mavi Global and outside of the community. They were thinking a lot. So there were three proposals, 1,499. Then the second proposal was 999. And the third proposal was 299 USDT for the yearly subscription. And ladies and gentlemen, the decision was made. The FinUp 1 year access will be at 299 USDT in a matter of days, also available inside of the Mavi Global back office. So if you like 299 for fully operational FinUp, later on to new trading strategies, RVA, type 666, you will have an option to sell this, you will have an option to earn the commission, you will have an option to give your clients an opportunity to load. Once again, 666 for everyone who likes the new positioning of the FinUp strategy for Mavi and outside community. Standa is excited, Fermin is excited. Then we are having also, it's not Ronaldo, it's even better, it's Rolando, then it's Mario, Siston, then we have, of course, our dear Heinalka, ciao, it's been a while when we talked for the last time. Then we have Emmanuel, Lavana, Silvia, 299 for all the Mavi Globals. So Vitaly, this week start in crypto world in the green candles. Then we are having green candles inside of the FinUp. We are having a green light with the Flip Me, and even more important, when we are speaking about the super nodes, the base deposit, it's done. For the last 36 hours, if you send your Akasha from the base network straight to your super node, it comes in a matter of seconds, it appears in a matter of seconds, and in approximately 10 minutes to 60 minutes, you can easily load it into the super node and can start to generate you daily passive income for the next 10 years. So what I can say, Vitaly, I think the team is doing, now the Ultron team and all the teams around are doing amazing job. I'm very, very proud of them. Now they are also fixing the WULX deposits. Most of all this display issue is already fixed. What they have noticed, you had an option to see your WULX on your computer, but in the mobile phone it didn't appear. Now they also fix this. There are slightly challenges also inside of it, but I believe in the next few days we will have fully functional supernode. And from that moment on, the Mavi Global is preparing beyond your imagination the product. I would just say this, the product that combines the entire ecosystem with one single price. We already get the confirmation from the entire board, management, ownership, and so on. So I believe that next week we will organize a special call. I already tell you straight, it's not going to be on normal company call. If the stars, numbers, timing will align, then is the company call. If there will be any other timing, we will announce the special call. I will bring the special guests, I will bring the special features, and I will give one product that combines the entire ecosystem. That's how we will combine all our business partners with something that it's affordable, that it's unique, and that it's giving value to the entire Mavi Globus, old prospects, and of course, new prospect. Now, these are the updates. Today, I have so many, how can I say, green colored, oriented, green candles, green lights, calls. I was hoping for that kind of call that happened in a matter of the past few weeks. It happened today, so I'm just happy and proud to share all this with you. Now, when we are speaking about the Big Whale Launchpad, I'm just checking the official launch. I'm involved in so many groups, I need to be honest, in order to be informed. Now that I'm developing, I don't look like the developer, and I am not a developer, but I'm checking when it's going to be done. Once I have all these informations, of course, ladies and gentlemen, we will prepare the posts, we will prepare the social media, and we will, of course, keep you updated, engaged, and so on. I know they are already preparing the project for the Big Whale Launchpad. I cannot reveal more once I have the green light. So, Helena, I understand. I don't know where are you from. I apologize in behalf of Mavi Global, all our partners, Ultron Foundation, FlipMe. We don't have the date yet, but the team is working 24/7 in order to make it happen. Robert or Roberto, action 1+1, it's extended until July 8th. I already announced it on Monday's call. The flyer is coming out today. Once again, you buy one, you load it until June 8th. This promotion is extended. Now let's go to Helena. Helena asked us two questions. What is happening with vodka? What is happening with Kimba? Kimba, Helena is going to be relaunched. With vodka, transitions are happening from Solana to Binance Smart Chain. We are making the designers. We are getting the informations from the creators. Once this switch is done, everything will merge, and you will get the same amount of coins. More informations we will reveal. When we are speaking about the Lotto Day and so on, I just address this question to the team that is responsible for this. It's not just Lotto Day, it's not just Earnbet. It's also one more company that is gonna be involved. So far, I don't have the confirmation and I cannot reveal it. But once again, there is a lot of happening behind the scenes also with this topic. Hi Doman, good to see you. Hi Nalka, good to see you too, or good to write your messages again. Please confirm again, once the Mavi put the NFT out to the legacy company, it will be moved straight later on. So once again, by the end of this week, the Staking Hub NFTs are gonna be available for the withdraw. Then it's gonna be 30 days time period in order to withdraw all these NFTs. Otherwise, automatically they will move to the legacy contract. You as a owner of it, you will have the exclusive rights to access your NFTs, to manage your NFTs, or there is going to be also an option to withdraw your NFTs from the legacy website. News about vodka Kimba, I already told. Binance Core and Delta Max trade on Bitcoins. Binance Core and Delta Max are the trading strategies that they are not using spot, they are using features. Once again, that means if the market goes up and if the strategy says long or going up, we are making money. What happened this weekend? Both strategies, they say, no, the market will go down, and they were right based on different kind of parameters and so on. For now, they are trading big cryptocurrencies. This is the information that we are having it. I'm sure they are using Bitcoin. I'm sure, and even the exposure that they are using it, it's very, very small. So that's why I believe they can also play with the smaller coins. So far, the results amazing. Of course, once we give you all the necessary information about the new trading results, we will keep you updated. Thanks for the information. My pleasure. My and Vitalis pleasure. Syston 002. It's not 007. It's not 007, but 002. I transfer the NFT to the MetaMask. If it is listed on Ultron transferability site, but I cannot see it listed on the MetaMask, did I do something wrong? Syston, the answer is no, you did it right. Vitali right now will find a website where you can literally connect with your MetaMask and see what is inside of your MetaMask as a site. Vitaly, I'm sure you have this website. It's Ultron Web3, Please prepare this website so we will share it with system. Like I observed that there is AK in base network and also AK in BNB chain. Are they both from this corporate? So, Vitaly, what I know is what is on the base and what is on Ultron was issued by the team. Now, what is on Binance Smart Chain? I don't have this information. I need to be honest. I'm getting this question for the first time. Like,
Probably that's not supported.
It's not supported. Not supported. Vitaly said not supported. If the Flip Me card becomes redeemable, does this mean that the price of ULXs will increase since every Flip Me card holder needs to lock in the ULX to boost their cashback? Once again, every project, card, super notes, big whale launchpad for launching the meme coins, everything that is deployed on top of Ultron, it's adding value. Now, if 10 people is doing the buyback in order to get the cashback, it's small impact. If there is 100,000 users and 10,000 people start to buy from the exchange, this is adding utility. When all the nodes are going to be fully node, either with Akasha or with Ultron, this will give significant boost, supply shock, maybe even. If the money will come fast on the market, these are all added value. Now we are having all these things together. My personal opinion is that this added value might definitely increase the price of ULX and Akasha. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. Vitaly, I think you agree with me that if there is more projects that needs to be connected either with Akasha, with Ultron, either cashbacks, super nodes, then deploying different kind of projects on top of the big whale launch, these are all added value. Ruben, after the transferring an NFT payment to my FlipMe wallet, I get this error message when I want to add the assets failed to load token data solution. Ruben, the best answer is take a screenshot. On the top right corner, there is the chat. Just send them the photo, describe them the problem. The FlipMe team, they are having amazing instant support. Speak with them. They will try to help you and solve your problem. If you have any kind of question, log in inside of your FlipMe and send them the direct message. FinUp will be available in the European market. Very, very good. Definitely not in Hungary, but I will speak with the legal team if we can get FinUp as a product to everyone. Emmanuel 666, Lavana 666, exciting people. Okay, they like it. Jan, I have noticed the delivery of Mavi products take too long. First of all, my dear June, my beloved June, we are not the owners of the product. We don't develop the product. The only thing that we are doing it is we are selling them. All the development, all the marketing, all the roadmaps, all the plans, all the visions, all the technical developments, everything related to all this product, it's on each and every project individually. So, John, I understand. If it would be in my case, or Vitaly's case, or Standa, or if you ask Olivia, yes, already maybe weeks, some of them maybe even months ago, but once again, all our partners are fighting with the regulators based on these general terms and conditions, banking, crypto, blah, 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 blah. And because we live in the environment that all these legislations are literally changing on a weekly basis, and if we want to be fully compliant, we need to go by the book. Once again, we don't want to be in the gray area. Our providers, they don't want to be in the gray area. Don't forget, once again, don't forget, App Store and Google Play, they approved the FlipMe, so it's a proven business model. It's fully legit, fully compliant. Now it's time to escalate. Okay, Helena, Big Whale Launchpad. My dear Helena, once again, once I have the confirmation, I'm going to be the first one to push the flyers out and in order to make everyone excited. 1+1, Roberto, as I said, it is extended July 8th. When does the Big Whale, Hi, Doma, can you please UK claim their pro FlipMe cards? Once again, for the UK, I'm waiting the FlipMe team. I also owe you this answer for one of the previous calls. If the provider, for example, like the Bitcoin Black, is fully compliant, and if it is, it's gonna be available, visible. I would like incentive incorporate FinUp strategy for the launch of the Big Wage. Okay, once again, FinUp as a product is coming into the Mavi Global. Show the new prospects the trading results offer them the FINAP yearly license, load the money, and that's how you are contributing for the higher big whale payouts in the future. Bigger AUM, bigger payouts. More card users, bigger payouts. If we will sit at home and waiting that millions of dollars will come, it will not happen. We need to push. Cards out, the Flip Me team will push marketing out. We will push the cards out. The Flip Me team will put other developments out. And that's how we will make it accessible and, once again, even more profitable in the near future. All these Kimba memes and so on, once again, relaunched, waiting for the informations and so on. Is the current minted on the supernode, if the current amount of minted on the supernode correct or inflated? I'm seeing a much higher figures. Smitolala, once again, there are some bugs. Maybe sometimes you are seeing a way bigger number of ULX or Akasha. What you see on the blockchain, it's yours. If there is any kind of APR or technical glitch, numbers might go up and down, but sooner or later this is gonna be correlated and saved. If there is an issue with Mavi, Flip Me support, since I hear from many people in our group, they don't get any response since several weeks. Either write to Mavi Global or straight to the Flip Me if it is related to the Flip Me. And next week, if there is going to be any kind of case that you didn't get reply, report to Vitaly. Vitaly will report to me and I will speak with the teams what is going on. earnsafecard.com, unable to buy. The team is already on this case, just so you know. How do they know when it's funded? Because there is data, I get a free note. Okay, first of all, how you know that your node is loaded? After you load it, in a matter of minutes, it appears how much node is available for, left for filling it up until full. So once again, it's a display, it's like a bar, it's like a battery that's getting full and full and full. The amount of coins that you will have inside after the promotion ends, you will get the same size of the node with the same amount of coins. Why are Ultron guys posting on Telegram every week breaking numbers on progress and the coins price is nearly to zero? First of all, this is the question definitely for the Ultron team. Even more important is for me as a Mavi Global is they are working 24/7 in order to ensure bigger ecosystem collaborations, partnerships, future development, and so on. Every blockchain needs 3 to 5 years to build ecosystem, to build a community. So we will see the true power of Ultron after 5, 6, 7, 8 years. The same like with Ethereum, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, Bitcoin, or any other important layer 1 blockchain. When the supernode is ready with the off button, Pankai, very good question. The answer is simple. Once everything is fully functional, once other features are coming for the supernodes, then the off button will appear. If someone doesn't want to move the assets in order to be safe, yes, you can leave your NFTs inside of the Mavi Global and then they are gonna be moved to the legacy contract. When Mavi Global is going in media world, white radio, TV. Once again, we are having one of the most rewarding compensation plan. You are our audience. You are our face. We are giving you commission, not the television, TV station, and so on. We are network marketing company. We are not TV show marketing company. That's why we give money and very, very nice commissions to all of you guys. Why Flip Me cannot convert USDT to ULX on Ultron chain? Very good question. I will ask the Flip Me team, or once again, you can also ping them into the private chat. Helena, okay, this is Kimba. Okay, what's happening on Lotto? I already respond. Can you explain a little bit more? New strategy involves that they are about the big way strategy, for example, was in the top, and the AI strategy BTC. Okay, so Emmanuel, the point is that this bull market, it's not the same like it was the last bull market. In the world, there is so many challenges. There are different kind of, unfortunately, we can say wars. There is Ukraine, there is Israel, there is Iran, there is a lot of happening, and they are unpredictable political scenes, macroeconomic situations. That's why some of the tools, they are not working properly. For example, if there will be one president that say this to China, this can easily have a huge impact either on a stock market, on a crypto market, or any other market. You cannot predict this. This is called the black swan. Vitaly can explain you more on one of the future calls. What does the black swan event means? But once again, so far, DeltaMax and Binance Core are, in these current situations, the best trading strategies, and they are available. You don't need to wait. You can literally load it today, either with new money or with the relocation from your other money from the other strategies into it. What I can say, I need to jump on another call, Vitaly. I hope I answer on most of the questions. I promise I will give you even more insights. Once again, if we come to the conclusion, it's a green week. It's a green week. Bitcoin is back to above 106,000. We get the green light from the flip me. Vitaly has got a green smile. He's smiling. He's happy because all these cards are going up. We are having green results with the trading strategies with the Binance Core and DeltaMax. And finally, all these teams that they are working 24/7, Ultra Foundation and all the partners, we have 98% fully functional supernodes. Now the loads of Akasha and ULX can start to move aggressively. What I can say, thank you very much for inviting me. Vitaly, the audience, for the conclusion of this call, of course, it's yours. Muchas gracias.
Roman, so you know when the big whale is going to launch its coin?
No, I don't know. They are hiding some of the stocks. They are hiding with me. Maybe they will surprise me today, tomorrow. Once I have the 100% confirmation, of course, I will keep you updated.
Okay, great. So have a great green week, everybody.
Have a green week.
Let's continue.
Let's continue. Thank you so much. Bye from Europe.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.